Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious churro cheesecake bars. So let's get into it. It was so easy and simple to make, and I'm actually making this for my homegirls, co-workers at work at her job. So I'm just excited to show it to you guys because it was so easy and simple to make and delicious. These are all my ingredients. I'll make sure I have every single thing in my description box. So make sure you guys read my description box so you can get more information. First, let's make the churro filling, which is cinnamon and sugar, of course. Again, measurements will be in my description box. So this is regular granulated sugar as well as cinnamon, and I'm just going to mix them both together, and that's pretty much the filling for the churro cheesecake bars. So I'm going to mix this up, and now next we're going to work on the cheesecake filling. Alright, so I have my cream cheese here. My mixer actually broke, so I have to use a whisk. My cream cheese is all the way room temperature. I think I left it out overnight to get it all the way softened. Next, I'm going to add my sugar, and I'm going to beat it just like this, just to get it nice and combined and smooth together. Next, I'm going to start adding my eggs down in here, as well as the spices, and then we're just going to mix it up. Now, the twist I put in here is I use the maple extract, and I swear to you, as soon as I put that maple extract, it just lifts the batter all the way up. You smell it and you could taste it. So yeah, that was dope. So make sure if you have it, use it, but if you don't, it's fine. It's definitely optional. So I used the vanilla and the maple, and together it was just magic in this cream cheese batter. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to make it and try it and taste it because it's delicious. And so you want to mix it really well to get it nice and combined. Next, I'm going to brush my pan with melted butter so nothing will stick. We are going to put sugar down on here, so you want to make sure your pan is well greased, whether you use a spray or butter, whatever you have. Just make sure you grease it really well. You're going to take some of your cinnamon sugar and sprinkle link all over the bottom, just like I'm doing here. You're going to take one of your crescent rolls, the whole entire thing in the hole, and put it on the bottom just like this. And that's pretty much it. You just, oh, and a quick tip, leave your crescent rolls in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. Don't take them out, don't leave them out, because the softer and more room temperature they are, it's going to be harder for you to place it in this pan whole and then on top whole. So make sure you keep it in the fridge or the freezer just so it can stay firm, not frozen but firm, so you could easily handle it. Next, you're going to add the cream cheese batter right down on here just like this. Look how smooth and delicious that is. And I use the whisk. So imagine if you guys use your electric mixers, it's going to come out even better. So next, I put the final topping just on top like this. You want to gently just try to spread it out a little bit. Just gently pat at it. Don't do it too hard. Don't ruin it. Someone's going to do it. Someone's going to do it. I can feel it. Someone is going to sink the whole thing down in the cheesecake filling. Next thing, I'm going to brush it with melted butter just like this. And finally, you're going to sprinkle the top with more cinnamon sugar, and that's it. You do not need to add salt to anything here. The cheese is already salted. You don't need salt anywhere here. Do not use any salt, please, because you will oversalt and it's not going to taste good. So you want to sprinkle the cinnamon sugar everywhere. Put it in the oven. This is how it comes out. Woo, child. Oh, I baked it on 325 for 45 minutes. I baked it pretty low because you don't want to burn the sugar on top. Once I sliced it up, this is what it looked like. So perfect and delicious. And I hope one of y'all try it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Comment below and let me know if you think my friend and her co-workers would like these cheesecake bars. Did I do okay? Bye, you guys.